Before the factory process begins, our journey starts with the white Brahman bulls themselves. Hundreds of these powerful animals are gathered across the ranch. Now the herd begins moving toward the next stage of the journey. The animals are carefully prepared for transport. Each bull is calmly guided into the transport trailers. The trailers are prepared for the journey to the processing facility. The trailers are prepared for the journey to the processing facility. And now, the journey from the ranch to the factory begins. After the journey, the white Brahman bulls arrive at the enormous facility.
Before anything else, the animals are given time to settle after the journey.
They're then moved to the feeding area, where they receive fresh feed and water. For a moment, the factory feels less like a production line and more like a carefully managed holding facility. Next, the animals are moved toward a cleaning area.
Their coats are carefully washed to remove dust and dirt from the journey.
And now, the white Brahman bulls are clean and ready for the next stage. Now we move from the ranch story to the raw material that will eventually enter production.
And this is where the horn itself begins its transformation.
Every piece is checked before it moves deeper into the production line.
And now, the real transformation begins.
Once selected, the horns move into the first real stage of processing. The first job is simple. Remove the dirt and unwanted material left on the raw surface. Large batches can now be cleaned together, making the process much faster. Once the dirt is gone, the natural shape and surface become much easier to see.
Now the cleaned horns are sorted again, because not every piece will become the same product.
Workers look closely at every piece before deciding where it goes next.
Make sure the horns are properly aligned before they reach the shaping area.
The rough natural shape is about to be turned into something the factory can actually use.
Now the horn begins to lose its rough original form.
Rough edges are removed, revealing a cleaner and more usable shape.
Each piece now starts to look less like raw material and more like something that could become part of a finished product.
But the surface is still far too rough.
Stage by stage, the rough surface becomes smoother.
And the parts that need extra attention are finished by hand.
Every piece is checked again before moving forward.
Remember the raw horn from the beginning? This is already a completely different material.
But there's still one major transformation left. The surface needs to go from simply smooth to something that actually looks luxurious.
This is where the biggest visual change begins.
The first polishing pass begins to bring out the natural character of the horn.
And suddenly, something that looked ordinary starts catching the light.
The natural patterns that were hidden beneath the rough surface are now much easier to see.
Some of the final shine is carefully brought out by hand.
Now look at the difference.
Just a few stages ago, this was rough and unfinished. Now it looks like a luxury material.
But not every polished piece is ready to become part of a luxury product.
The best looking pieces are selected for the next stage.
And now, the two materials that started this journey separately are finally ready to meet. White Brahman bullhorn and premium leather.
But the horn is only half of the story.
Now the leather has to go through its own transformation.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes controlled water systems and massive rotating drums to ensure every hide is cleaned to the highest standard before moving to the finishing line.
Then it moves through a series of stages that make it ready for a finished product. The leather is dried and prepared until it reaches the right condition for cutting.
Next, the surface is smoothed and finished.
This is the material that will eventually become the body of the backpack and boots.
Workers now select the pieces that are suitable for the luxury products. And now the leather is finally ready to be turned into something recognizable.
On one side, the polished white Brahman bullhorn. On the other, finished leather. And now, they finally come together.
Large sheets are cut into the individual pieces needed for the backpack.
Before assembly, the edges are carefully prepared.
Then the separate pieces begin coming together.
Slowly, the flat pieces start taking the shape of an actual backpack. The straps are added, and the structure becomes stronger and more recognizable. And now, the material we followed from the beginning finally returns.
This is the moment when polished horn and finished leather become one product.
Just look at what came out of the factory. A raw horn and a sheet of leather have become something completely different. But we're only halfway through.
The backpack is finished, but the factory isn't slowing down.
The same carefully prepared leather now takes a completely different shape.
Every boot begins as separate pieces that have to come together perfectly.
Now the flat pieces begin becoming the upper part of the boot.
The sole is added, turning the leather upper into a real boot.
but the boot still needs the details that will make it stand out.
And once again, the polished white Brahman bullhorn returns to the story.
The horn becomes the detail that gives the boot its distinctive character. From raw horn and unfinished leather to a finished luxury pair of boots. But before we decide what these products are really worth,
The products are finished, but they aren't ready to leave yet.
Every backpack is carefully checked from the leather to the smallest detail. Even the stitching has to look clean and consistent.
And the polished horn is checked for its finish and appearance.
Before the final reveal, every surface gets one last careful finish.
And now, after all those stages, the finished products finally stand together.
think back to where we started. Raw horn became a polished detail. Leather became the structure. And together, they became luxury products. But now comes the question we've been waiting for. After seeing everything that went into making them, can you actually tell what they're worth? Now comes the test we promised at the beginning.
No logos.
No prices.
Now there's nothing telling you what to think. Look at the leather. Look at the stitching. Look at the horn. Look at the finishing. Now choose the one you think is the most expensive. Don't change your answer. Think back to where we started. A raw white Brahman bullhorn went through an entire industrial journey before becoming a luxury detail. So if you couldn't tell which one was the most expensive, what were you really paying for? The material, the craftsmanship. That's the fascinating part of luxury. Something can begin as an ordinary raw material and end up looking extraordinary.